Welcome guys, so today I am with Nokia Lite Earbuds and I'm going to show you how you can pair them with your Windows PC. So at the first you have to remember to charge them at least to the 50%. Next, open the case and you have to simply remove both earbuds. They will be in the pairing mode automatically, so we can just put them back. And the next step, we have to simply go for the settings on our Windows. I'm using Windows 11, as you can see. Just go for the settings, then go for the Bluetooth devices, click to add device, select Bluetooth. Of course you have to enable Bluetooth by select the switcher, and next select your Nokia Lite Earbuds. So click on them once, and as you can see we are successfully connected. Just take a look right here. We are connected with voice, with the microphone and the music. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.